In this video, I'm just going to give you an overview of what's required for the homework problem for this unit in Unit 11, Regression Analysis. You will be completing a regression analysis on a data set that I provide. And in the remainder of this video, I'm going to show you all the different components that you'll need to include in your Excel file and how they should be laid out, how everything should be done. There is a total of 5 other videos in addition to this video that you will need to watch in order to complete your homework assignment for this unit. Do not start your assignment until you've watched all of the other videos in this unit. If you start the assignment and you haven't watched those other videos, you're going to be lost and you're probably going to end up going sideways somewhere during the assignment. Just a word of warning. I know some of you probably will not watch the other videos, but you really need to watch all of the videos. Remember, the videos are in chronological order, the order in which they should be watched for you to have the best chance of doing well on this assignment. And we start with the data. I will provide you with a data file. You're not going to have to enter any data this time. I will give you a data file to start with, and I'll give you your business scenario that you're working with. Once you have that data file, the first analysis you're going to do is this descriptive analysis. Then you're going to do the correlation analysis. Then you're going to do the regression models. Now, you may end up only having 2 independent variables that you're comparing, or you may have 3 like this. You won't have more than 3, but you'll do a regression model for each of the independent variables in your data set. Then after you do each of those regression models, then you're going to bring all of those models together on another sheet like this, and then you're going to figure out, you're going to evaluate the models. You're going to look at the R-square, you're going to look at the p-value for the F statistic, or significance F. And based upon those values and also your line fit plots, you're going to determine which model is the best model for predicting your Y variable, whatever that Y variable ends up being. And then at the very end, you're going to have a final report that looks something like this, with your summary output, your line fit plot, your written summary, your regression equation, and this part down here, again, this is extra credit. Let me know if you have any questions.